In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Polish to English with DeepL. If you've ever needed a fast, accurate translation for a message, a document excerpt, or a web snippet, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in a few simple moves, while also getting the best possible results. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the DeepL website. You'll land on a clean translator page with two main panels. The left panel is where you enter your original text, and the right panel is where the translation appears. Think of it as a live side-by-side workspace. Next, look at the top of the left panel and choose Polish as your source language. You might see an option labeled Auto Detect, but for the most reliable output, switch it to Polish explicitly. Locking the source language helps DeepL interpret spelling, word endings, and diacritics correctly, especially when your text includes names, brand terms, or borrowed words that could confuse automatic detection. Now move to the right panel and select English as your target language. Once you set English here, DeepL will translate everything from the left panel into English automatically. This keeps your setup consistent as you work through multiple pieces of text. Click into the left text box and paste your Polish text, or type it in directly. You can add a short sentence or a larger chunk of text. DeepL can handle both. If you're copying from a formatted source like a PDF, plain text usually gives the cleanest results. Keep Polish characters like W, M, and Szech intact. They carry important meaning and improve accuracy. If you spot a typo or want to refine a phrase, edit it right in the left box. The translator updates as you type. You'll see your English translation appear instantly in the right panel. DeepL is designed to prioritize natural, fluent phrasing, so read through the output and make sure it fits your context. If something feels slightly off, try adjusting the Polish wording. Small changes, like clarifying punctuation or reordering a clause, can lead to a noticeably better translation. For longer passages, scroll through both panels to compare segments line by line. When you're satisfied, you can select and copy the translation from the right side for your email, document, or notes. And that's all it takes to translate Polish to English with DeepL. Go to the site, set Polish on the left, English on the right, enter your text, and review the live translation. Keep your source clear, make small edits as needed, and you'll get strong, readable results in seconds.